Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can transfer file or image or any video from your GoPro to your smartphone without any cable connection. Okay, first of all, you just need to download your GoPro Quik app on your app store, and after that connect it to your GoPro. Okay, now just turn on your GoPro Quik app and then press this GoPro logo, and after that just press view media. Okay, and now it's loading your media in your GoPro. Join. Okay, now you will see all the media in your GoPro, and this is just the test video. You can just display on your phone screen, and to download to your phone just select this button, and now your download is complete. View media and select this one. After you download to the app, just press this one and save it to your phone. Okay, and now media save, and you just go to your gallery and open. It will show the file.